Ladies and gentlemen, for the 5 of you watching tonight, and the millions watching around the world, let's get ready to watch some Beep Beep. So, with the release of SNSD Japanese album, Love and Girls, they have released what comes with the album is Beep Beep, which for any so-on knows that we've been waiting for this for quite a long time. They released a teaser, I believe, back in like April or something, and then they scrapped it until later, the rest of the music video, releasing the rest of the music video until later, and now we finally have it. So I felt obligated to do a reaction to this, because it's been such a long time, and they kind of built up some kind of like crazy want for this video by just putting that teaser out there and then not ever releasing the full video. So without further ado, it's late at night, so I have to wear headphones, but let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, mushy mushy. 여보세요. Tiffany. You know she loves this. Hello. Phone call. Pink everywhere. Are you busy now? Taeyeon. Penny. Yuna. Ooh, if you guys haven't watched Prime Minister and I with Yuna, it's really good. I really enjoyed it. Navigator. This is when I cut it off last time. We're getting brand new stuff right now. The girls are super cute as always. Hello, mushy, mushy, chow, chow, busy, beep, 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 beep. Mushy, chow, chow, busy, baby, everywhere are you? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. So young. Tengu, Sione, oh get it girl. It's like a cute slash. They're wearing slightly provocative clothes though. Especially Hyun and Yuna. No, it's not over. Don't end. No, don't end. Don't end. Well, that was too much fun. That was awesome. It's what I expected. We got, like I said, we got a teaser a long time ago, and we got like a minute and something of the teaser, or a minute of the teaser, and it kind of showed exactly what the music video is gonna be. The rest of it, it's gonna be a lot of pink, a lot of Tiffany smiling because of the pink, and just a really cutesy concept. So that's what we got. But I loved it, obviously. I love the song. I've loved the song since it came out. So I've been waiting for a music video. I didn't even care what it looked like. I just wanted a music video. It was just like a rational love for it. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I'm glad it's here. I'm glad we all get to see it. See the beautiful girls. So I'm really happy, and I get to dance to it because it's really fun to dance to. It's got like kind of simple dances and really easy to get going to, especially at 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, but that's gonna be it. I liked it. Nothing else to say really. I really liked it. But that's it. I love you guys. Keep being awesome. Like the video if you like it, please. Thank you. Love you. Bye.